Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982, your YouTube Paracord community. Today we're gonna proceed with our stitching of this fishtail paracord bracelet. I hope that you like the part 1. I simply had to divide it into 2 parts because the video will be longer then, and maybe someone wants to know how to create this one, and some of you wanna make the center one, so we're gonna on the end have the both, and the center and the side one. So we're gonna take our needle and our cord, microcord, and we're gonna insert it from here, so from the right side to the left side, and then we're gonna take the ends and we're gonna pull the ends of the microcord, so we'll find the center, and we have the 2 working ends with the same length. Now we're gonna proceed. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see what I'm doing. And we're gonna start with our second part of a stitching of this awesome fishtail bracelet. So take the working end and make it under this one here, like so. And from here we need to insert it under the loop, so we have the cord heading to the center, like so. Now again under, and under the loop, and to the side. Under, so here, to the side, sorry, and pull, like so. So here we are, we finished the one side. Now we're gonna start with another one. So under, and then again under, and continue. So here we are, our today's project. Full bracelet is done. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to give a like, share this video with your friends and family. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new content. And as always on the end, I wish you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. See ya, bye.